Okay, so now we understand kind of high level what coding is, what we're trying to do. But now where are we going to write and then execute that code so that the computer knows that we've written the instructions and then it wants to execute those instructions. And so people actually have created tools for doing this, and they call them integrated development environments, and that's short for IDE. IDE is short for that. So essentially, it's a programming tool, and it lets you do all the things that you have to do from a development standpoint all in one place. So it makes it easier. It makes it easier to write your code, to edit your code, and then to execute the code with less clicks. Without something like an IDE, you could still write your code, but typically you'll be writing it just in basic text files, and then you have to figure out how to um, you know run the code from that text file on your own. So it takes more steps. And then for what we're going to be doing in our course, a tutorial, we're going to be using an IDE called BlueJ. BlueJ is pretty simple, and the reason why we're going to be using it is just going to let us focus only on the coding, on the fundamentals. There are more like complex integrated development environments out there. For example, Eclipse is a pretty widely used one, but they're complex and they can distract away from the essence of coding. At the end of the day, you can use whatever you want. If you want to use Eclipse or something like that, go ahead. As long as you know how to code, then again, you can use any tool that you want to do, just as long as you're familiar